My name is Nelson Khosipeku. I am an EIT student doing advanced diploma in electrical engineering. I'll be presenting a topic of overpopulation of wildlife animals. On my introduction, I'm just explaining that Botswana is primarily a semi-arid area, and it has got low agricultural production due to the tropical conditions. It is also favorable to wildlife animals. Botswana is also a landlocked country. Over and above that, I've got factors contributing to wildlife overpopulation. We've got a strong anti-poaching measures boosting wildlife overpopulation. Urban and industrial growth reduce land for overpopulation. The growing mining also takes a significant space for wildlife. This overpopulation of wildlife animals has got environmental impacts, one of them being overgrazing and deforestation, soil erosion, making it harder for farmers to produce enough. We do have human and wildlife conflict. Animals migrate in search of food, and these animals damage crops. This causes tension between wildlife conservation and human livelihood. Our country, Botswana, we do have solution of addressing this overpopulation. There is an implementation of land management policies to balance conservation and community needs. We do also relocate wildlife and certain species such as elephants to less populated areas. On conclusion, I would say effective management policies and relocation of wildlife address impact of overpopulation of wildlife.